Su, this is gonna be one.
Ba naman nila ay yung best in the league in terms of points allowed. Meaning, sila yung may pinakamaliit yung Group B muna tayo, no? So, para sa mga kakatunin lang, no, this league, meron tayong dalawang brackets, Charles, and that's just not apply in basketball. In real life as well. Kapag na-decline tayo,
Pastrana pa din. Still no good, but there was Oma Onyanwa.
it's
On the kick out, Oma Onyanwa rattles that one in.
able to make those shots.
Agatha Braun, they go Oma Onyanwa. The lefty layup is in. Balik. Tignan muna natin ulit dito yung seal ni Oma Onyanwa.
Good seal. Among ng 5 points.
Agatha Braun, they go Onyanwa. Oma off the glass. 7-point lead. 53-46. They go Onyanwa once again. Oma nakawala. Oma Onyanwa. Peñaranda Butata.
Ni Coach Jed Ostriano para tayong naglaro.
Oma Onyanwa, import versus import. That one was
Talagang nag-sink in sa UST yung kaya nilang gawin. Because kanina nga, if mapapansin natin, they were trying to play the game of the New Zealand. No? So, set game, set play